Welcome back to France for the Anti-Tourist. It's a new channel in which I want to share with you everything I learned in France. I lived there for 5 years, both as a student and as a worker, so I have both sides. Okay, let's look at Je vous explique. Okay, Je vous explique roughly translates to let me explain. Okay, for example, I've had a lot of problems with my French bank. You too will have lots of problems with your French bank. It's part of the French experience, and they may make lots of mistakes, and at a certain point you want to confront them, you want to get down to information. So when this happens, for example, I'll say, désolé madame, mais je ne comprends rien, il y a une charge là, il y a un frais là, comment on peut expliquer ça? Okay? So you confront the person, so this makes sense, I don't understand. So what they might say is, alors, je vous explique. Okay? So je vous explique is something we use to announce to the person, first of all, calm down, but it's not aggressive, calm down and let me explain, and they're going to lay out a detailed plan. Okay? Another example is there was a period of a couple of years where it was illegal to attend opera in France, and then finally they started opening up opera, but there are all these, rules and regulations. It was very confusing, and there was one woman at the opera who wasn't allowed to access. She didn't have the sanitary pass, so she was getting really upset, and so the manager pulled her aside and said, Madame, je vous explique. Okay, il y a des règles qui est soumis par le gouvernement. Okay, so basically what he says is, okay, let me get down to business, let me explain, this is the situation. Okay, so look out for Je vous explique. One warning to you, I have found that when people want to present an elaborate lie, they may also say Je vous explique. It kind of buys them time, and then they'll lay out a story. I hope it doesn't happen with you, but just keep your eyes and ears peeled open. Thank you so much for watching France for Anti-Tourists. Let me know in the comments if there's any expressions you would like me to go over. Have a wonderful day.